Are you dealing with neck pain or shoulder pain at work? Hey everyone, my name is Eric Solomon. I'm a physiotherapist and owner of Rebuild Fitness and Physiotherapy. I had a case this week come in, and this person was getting burning and aching in their right trapezius muscle while they were at work. And of course, pain has a cause. And as we're going through the assessment, I realized several things. Number one, when he was talking to me, he had his head tipped to the side, okay? When I tip my head to the side and my shoulder drops down, that stretches and strains the muscle where he was getting his pain. So that's number one, pay attention to your posture. When I'm talking, moving, working, I want upright posture. So chest tall, head tall, shoulders gently back. Right when we did that, they said, oh, hey, that feels better, okay? Now, number two, I asked, when is this bothering you the most? And it was at their desk. So when we're looking at a desk setup, several things we want to consider, okay? We want to consider the armrests on the chair. Okay, so if I sit up tall, chest tall, head tall, shoulders are back, look how far my arm is from the armrest if I have upright posture, which means I'm gonna either dump my shoulders, which is now again straining the muscles in the back of my neck, or I'm going to perch, which will stress my back and put my head forward, or I'm going to slump, which is not good either, okay? So optimized position in sitting, chest tall, head tall, shoulders gently back. Crank up the armrests in your chair so that the elbows are supported, okay? You want your wrists supported. If you're using a mouse, you articulate the mouse with your hand, wrist, and fingers. You do not do this, okay? When I reach for it, now all these muscles are starting to burn down the side of my arm and shoulder. Okay, so elbows supported, wrists supported. When I use the mouse, I move my fingers and hand. Pay attention to what side of your computer your phone is on, okay? Now, their phone was on the right side, and they would pin it between their shoulder and ear while they're working. And as you can imagine, that's gonna cause muscle cramping and fatigue. So the corrections were, elevate the armrests in the chair, eliminate the head tilt, don't pinch the phone between your ear and shoulder. So a couple of solutions there. One would be having a headset or a Bluetooth headset. Other one would be using speakerphone, where just click the button and now I can talk without having to do any of this kind of stuff. The other thing would be to move things you frequently do to the other side of your computer. So if I'm getting right-sided neck and shoulder pain, well, let me shift some of those things to the left side of my desk so that now I'm balancing out. I'm not always going this way. I can do it this way. Okay, team, give it a try and see if we can get rid of that neck pain.